Hello, kids. Welcome to Pragati Little Genius Play School's YouTube channel. Today, we're learning all about subtraction with two-digit numbers. Get ready for a fun math adventure with cute dogs and exciting questions. Let's start with a quick review. We'll solve some fun subtraction problems and choose the correct answers. Ready? Let's go. What is 86 minus 63? Let's look at the choices. A 53, B 149, C 20, D 23. The correct answer is D 23. Great job if you got it right. Next up, what is 92 minus 37? Here are your choices. A 129, B 45, C 55, D 50. The correct answer is C 55. Well done, little mathematicians. Here's another one. What is 45 minus 32? Choose the right answer. A 20, B 13, C 77. The correct answer is B 13. You are doing amazing. Dog treats. Here comes a fun word problem. Frankie buys a box of 75 dog treats for his new puppy. After a month, he has only 12 treats left. How many treats did the puppy eat? Let's subtract and find out. A 87 treats, B 63 treats, C 60 treats, D 53 treats. The correct answer is B 63 treats. Yay! Subtraction helps us solve real-life problems. Let's try another word problem. Pete the pug is 33 inches tall. Trixie the terrier is 17 inches shorter. So how tall is Trixie? A 16 inches, B 15 inches, C 50 inches, D 10 inches. The correct answer is A 16 inches. Great thinking. Congratulations, Smarty Paws. You did an awesome job solving all the subtraction questions. Keep practicing and you'll become a subtraction superstar. Thank you for watching and learning with us. If you had fun solving math with us, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Pragati Little Genius Play School. See you next time for more fun learning adventures.